what he's got.
Yeah. No, look
He's
at
old and stiff, you know.
I know, he's starting to bunny hop behind.
He's 74 years old and dog, dude.
Yeah.
Yes.
No, he's more older than that, excuse me. He almost 84 years old.
She's actually getting tired.
Hey, huh?
I know. Hey, Bear Bear. Hey, bud. Oh, my bear dog. Tired. Aww. You go lay down in the sand? The rear end of him is just not holding up.
Dang it.
Hey, bud.
You guys have a good Christmas?
Quiet. Quiet.
Sounds like you have a cold.
Yeah, I got this sinus infection thing going. Can't get rid of it.
Kind of run through our family.
I haven't ran at work, so I can't do it.
Rest! Run!
This is having fun with that dude hanging off of him.
Yeah.
I know.
Running underneath him.
Yeah, God. He came home with all this fur right.
It'd be like her butt end would be going like this and look like she was just scooting. Because it's like her front legs couldn't get out of the way fast enough.
How old was Bea when you got her?
17 months.
Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh.
We've had almost a year.
Maybe 11.
Yeah, January 11th.
I think it was last week I brought Rusty out and